Welcome to Wisdom Vibes today. We've got something exciting and challenging for you. The Richest Countries Quiz 2025. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell. Which is the richest country by GDP per capita 2025? Which Asian country ranks highest in GDP per capita? The richest country in the Middle East is... Which European country has one of the strongest banks? Which country is richest in natural gas reserves? Which country leads in oil wealth in 2025? Which country has the largest sovereign wealth fund? Richest country in South America by GDP per capita? Richest country in Africa, 2025? Which Asian city-state is among the richest globally? Which country has the most millionaires per capita? Richest Gulf Cooperation Council member? Which European microstate is very rich by GDP per head? Richest Nordic country in 2025? Which country is home to the world's biggest banks? Richest country in North America? Which country leads in diamond exports? Which Asian country has a high-tech economy? Which European country is rich due to oil exports? Richest country in Oceania, 2025? Which country has the highest GDP overall? Which small European country is famous for finance? Which Asian country has the most billionaires? Richest Arab country in 2025? Which country has the world's top tech companies? Which European country ranks rich due to tourism? Which Middle East country depends on oil exports? Richest island nation by GDP per capita. Which country has a high standard of living in Europe? Which Asian country has a tax-free income system? Which country has the most Fortune 500 companies? Richest European Union country, 2025. Which country is known for luxury watches and banking? Richest country in Central Europe? Which Asian country is a major financial hub? Richest country by median wealth per adult? Which country earns most from tourism revenue? Richest monarchy country in the world? Which country has top oil companies like Aramco? Richest country in Eastern Europe? Which country has the strongest currency in 2025? Which European country has top insurance companies? Richest country in Southeast Asia? Which country is famous for gold mining wealth? Richest landlocked country in the world? Which country has world's top stock market index? Richest country by purchasing power parity? Which country has top global car brands? Richest country in the Caribbean region? Which country is projected to remain richest in 2025? Largest organ in the human body? Number of bones in adult human body? Which organ purifies blood? Smallest bone in the body? Which organ controls the body? Average normal body temperature, Celsius. Largest bone in the body. Which organ produces insulin? Human heart has how many chambers? Main organ of the respiratory system. Number of ribs in the human body. Which part of the brain controls balance? Which organ filters blood to make urine? How many teeth do adults have? Which blood cells fight infection? Which organ stores bile? Smallest muscle in the body. Human heartbeats per minute, average. Which organ helps in digestion of fat? Number of lungs in the human body. Function of red blood cells. Which organ removes carbon dioxide? Which part of eye controls light entry? Which vitamin is produced by sunlight? Human brain is protected by. Which organ detoxifies harmful substances? Human body's framework is called main organ of circulatory system. Largest gland in human body. Which system controls body actions? Number of chromosomes in humans. Which organ helps in maintaining posture? Normal blood pH value. Which part connects throat and stomach? Which organ pumps blood? The white part of the eye is called which? Which organ is known as the powerhouse? Which gas do humans exhale? Which part of brain controls breathing? Which organ helps maintain body temperature? How many pairs of chromosomes do humans have? Main function of the stomach. Largest internal organ. Small intestine length, approx. Which blood group is universal donor? Which part of ear maintains balance? human body's hardest substance. Number of muscles in human body approx. Which part of brain controls vision? Which organ is essential for reproduction? So, how many did you get right? Comment below your score. Let's see who's the real geography genius. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get ready for the next fun quiz.